In this video, I am going to show you how you can mark a ticket as a spam in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to your left panel and click on Views. This is where you can access and see all of your tickets categorized with these categories. Select one. For example, this is the ticket that I want to mark as a spam. To do that, you should click right here on this three dots. By clicking there, a drop-down menu will appear. And on one of the options, marked in red, you should see the Mark as Spam button. Click right there, and then confirm by clicking on Immediately Mark Ticket as Spam. And after that, you're done. As you can see, ticket 1 or the ticket that we just marked is now marked as a spam. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.